Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called OpenPhone, and this is the best phone system for Teams. So if you want to access it, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trials as well exclusive benefits and rewards on these platforms. So make sure to actually check that link out so you don't miss any value. Okay, now coming onto the platform, you can see now an amazing feature of this tool is that you can simply call your team member or whatever the person you want to contact. You can contact them, and once you have completed the call, what will be happening is that it will be generating the summary for that particular call, and that is based on AI training models, and that is super awesome and highly effective because it is going to be extracting all of the valuable information that you have shared online with your friend or team member. So you can see it have chat rooms, groups, and individual message systems as well. So highly appreciated for the value it provides for the teams. Make sure to actually check this out. You can connect with your customers with low effort as it claims, so you can get numbers and simply contact them. You do not even need to share your personal details with to get in contact with the people or the clients. You can also do not need to save their numbers. You can directly get your conversation going and share the information that is to the point. So yeah, really nice. And the most important part is it is AI powered, so it is going to be using the power of computers to simply analyze the details you guys are going to be sharing. So you can check out this platform using the link in the description to get extended free trials as well exclusive rewards and benefits. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.